Joliet Public Schools District 86 believes that technology integrated appropriately into the classroom will enhance teaching and learning. We have 21 schools, we have 23 facilities we support with technology, quite a range of diversity throughout the city. We have approximately 12,000 students. We support about 600 classrooms.
For the past 10 years or more, they have all had interactive whiteboards with projectors and document cameras. So the shift over to the Clevertouch interactive flat panel was rather a very nice upgrade for them.
We spent a long time looking at products, narrowing down our list. We came up with 2 contenders to choose from. We put the Clevertouch side by side with the other competitor. We came up with a list of tasks that could be accomplished on both panels, and we invited teachers from all of our schools to come in and run through that process side by side, one panel, then the other, and hands down by far, everybody selected the Clevertouch as the device.
The teachers now have laptops that are able to wirelessly project, which has been kind of a game changer for the classroom. They're not tethered to the corner of the room anymore, they're able to be mobile.
The kids have definitely benefited because they are able to share their work in a way that they haven't been able to share it before. They can seamlessly share their work from their Chromebook to the Clevertouch board. We can have several students sharing at one time, so it's definitely been a benefit for them as far as being able to collaborate and share work with each other.
Now we're able to see each other's point of views on the Clevertouch board.
Clevertouch and Tierney had representatives come out and train us so that we can adapt that training for our teachers based on their needs.
I didn't have to redo anything that I did before. If you already had lessons or software created, things like Smart Notebook, they work right along with the Clevertouch panel.
There are only 4 companies in the world that develop software. We're one of them. And that allows us to react really quickly to changes in the classroom and changing needs for students. Our development team includes not only software engineers, but former educators. So we're able to bring in a product that we know is going to work really well in a school, and then partner with someone that really understands the specific needs of that district.
The reason why the Clevertouch Plus series is so popular with schools in the U.S. is because it's a product that schools are looking for. The Clevertouch is very intuitive, it's very easy to use, plus it comes with some functionality that's needed. For example, the App Store is a big hit. The CleverShare, to be able to wirelessly share content, but also have touch control at the panel. The fact that it has a built-in management system so the administrator can, at his office, control all the Clevertouches across the school district is definitely key.
I think overall it has just been a really great shift to meet the needs that we have now with 21st century learners. They don't just sit and get information from teachers anymore. They're about the room, and with being able to do those things wirelessly, it has really met us where we are in education.